type of cobalt. Getting that leaky water on the passenger side. Can't find a video. Try this. It's RT foamer gasket. It's leaking out this housing here. It's actually a gasket, $100 gasket that goes there. But we bypassed it with some RT selling glue. And as you can see, no leak. And we was having a leak here. Filled up the floorboard. It's dry now. AC on. No leaks. And some videos out there where you can try this here. For some cars, actually it wasn't working for this car. But right down here, where the drain plug is at, we went on and glued it up. Went on and put some glue around the housing because it causes the leak back in the car, which wasn't a problem with this one. So, can't find a video to fix your car. Here you go. Let's put you some rubber glue there, and that'll do the trick. Thanks for watching.